Hello, babies. It's Nana Cat today. Nana Cat with bad whiskers. My ears won't stay up, so I think I'm going to have to iron them. They won't stay up. You want to feel my ears? I'm a cat. Because today we're going to read Pete the Cat. Too cool for school. Meow. I like school. I'm not too cool for school. Okay. Let's see about Pete the Cat. Alright, Pete, if Nana can hold the book, turn the pages. Pete the Cat is by Kimberly and James Dean and narrated by Nana, Brenda Lovett. Oh, we're going to turn around so you can see the pictures. I'm all the way up. Okay, maybe I'm short. If I get on the right page, we're going to be good. Okay. Pete wants to look cool. He asks everyone, what should I wear? What Pete's wearing? Wear your yellow shirt, his mom says. It is my favorite. So Pete does. I don't have a yellow shirt. I don't have a yellow shirt. Wear your red shirt, Pete's friend Marty says. It is my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your blue shirt, Pete's brother Bob says. It is my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your long pants, Pete's teacher says. They are my favorite. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 4. Okay, I'm trying to think. Wear the shorts with the fish, Pete's friend Callie says. They are my favorite. So Pete does. Okay. Wear the polka dot socks, the bus driver says. They are my favorite. So Pete does. You have polka dot socks? I have some polka dot socks just like them. They were your Aunt Rick. Wear the cowboy boots, Grumpy Toad says. They are my favorite. So Pete does. He has 4 of them. Look. Wear the tie with the stripes, Emma says. It is my favorite. So Pete does. I don't have a tie. Or goat ears. Wear your baseball hat, his coach says. It is my favorite. So Pete does. Man, he's wearing a lot of stuff. Pete puts on all the clothes. Does he look cool? He's got 4 cowboy boots. He's got some fish shorts on. He's got a baseball hat and a tie and a blue shirt. And I don't know what all is under there. No, Pete looks silly. He also feels very hot because he's wearing all that stuff. But he's a good friend. Pete goes home and he changes his clothes. Pete puts on his favorite shirt. It says cat. Cat. Meow. Cat. Pete puts on his favorite pants. They don't say cat. Pete puts on his favorite socks. And he puts on his favorite shoes. Check out my shoes. Ooh, cat shoes. Okay. He puts on his sunglasses, which, hold up. I'm putting on our sunglasses at night. Yeah. Sunglasses. Pete says, now I am too cool. If you want to be cool, just be you. Thanks, Pete the Cat. I like that look. I had to be just me. Nana the Cat. That's what I am. With cool sunglasses. Okay, guys. I love you. I will see you in the next story. Bye for now. Call Nana. Love you. Bye.